Welcome to 5-Star Annuity. If you are retired or nearing retirement, then you've come to the right place. With all that's happening in our country today, it's very difficult to effectively plan for tomorrow. For more than half of aging Americans, there is at least one thing scarier than death, and that's the fear of running out of money during retirement. Americans are drastically undersaved for retirement, and with the reduction of pensions, uncertainty surrounding Social Security, and the volatility of the stock market, there's no question why these concerns are valid. Have you thought about where your income will come from? Are you concerned with outliving your retirement savings? An annuity can be the solution to help you gain that peace of mind. However, navigating annuities is hard. You have to compare different insurance companies' products, combined with back testing, premium bonus rates, liquidity, fees, and so much more. It's easy to get lost and end up purchasing a too good to be true annuity. That is why 5-Star Annuity came up with a guide to help you navigate if an annuity is right for you. Download our guide to finding your 5-star annuity to discover what metrics determine a star rating, the fundamentals of a 5-star annuity compared to a 1-star annuity, how to avoid too good to be true annuities, and what to focus on when comparing annuities to eliminate all the confusion. Whether you already own an annuity or are looking to purchase one, I'm here to help. This guide could prevent you from making a very expensive mistake. So take advantage of my free 1-hour annuity crash course with current policy analysis at Scottsdale Wealth Advisory. It's educational, no pressure, and will help you understand how annuities fit into retirement. Thank you.